teachers, and my dear friends. I, Vaishnavi, along with Prabha, would like to welcome you all to this morning assembly. Today, Class 5C and 5F has got an opportunity to conduct this assembly. Prayer is talking to God, the Almighty, the Creator of the whole universe. So let's start our assembly in the presence of God. I request Motika Madam to lead us in prayer.
Good morning, children. Join your hands, close your eyes and repeat after me. O Creator of all, I firmly believe that I am now in your presence. I adore your divine majesty and ask you to enlighten my mind that I may know you more clearly and to move my heart that I may love you above all things. Help me that I may never in my thoughts, words or deeds offend you against your holy law. Close your eyes for a minute of meditation. Open your eyes.
Newspaper informs us what is happening around us. Here comes the newsreaders. France gives citizens up to 4,000 euros to switch to electric bike. Today's national news. Ambani announced 5G wireless service launched by Dubai. Today's weather report. Today, the maximum temperature is 34 degrees Celsius and minimum temperature is 27 degrees Celsius. Thank you. Every morning brings us new thoughts, new strength, and endless possibilities. To enlighten and brighten our morning, here comes Naisha with the thought of the day. Nobody is inferior, nobody is superior. We all are equal. We are one. Now, students of 5C and 5F are presenting on equality? What is equality? You must be wondering, what is equality? And why is everybody talking about it? But do you think our friends know about it? Let's find out. Oh, I'm not able to find my pencil. May I help you, Henry? Wow, what a fancy stationery you got in your bag. Yes, all these are bought by my daddy from Dubai. Even this bag with 8 pockets, but still I'm not able to find my pencil. What are you both doing? Me and Hetri are trying to find the pencil in Hetri's big fancy bag. Wait, I can lend you a pencil. Thanks a lot. Wow, Saloni, I liked your pencil box. It has everything we require in school and it's so compact and easy to carry. Yes, it is. Thank you. Everybody likes new dresses. Everybody likes a birthday worth remembering. But then, what makes us different? Bhavya, your dress is so pretty. My grandpa got it for me, especially from Mumbai. Where are you going to celebrate? Oh, we have kept a party in pizzeria as it is very famous and my favorite pizza joint. Wow, pizzeria! They serve the city's best pizzas. You also have your birthday day after. What are your plans? I'm going to enjoy my favorite aloo parathas made by my mom. I just love them. What a great idea! I will also tell my mom to make my favorite idli sambar on my birthday rather than going out to eat. Do you know that every sport needs practice and stamina? But our friends are learning something new and different. Let's find out what are they learning. Everyone is screaming out of their excitement as it's their sports period. Let's go for skating! Wow! What good skates you have! These are from mall. I hope you are okay. Oh no, my skates broke down. Daddy is going to scold me now. Look, Madeline Christie is still skating so well. Their shoes are so simple and they are wearing those shoes last 2 years. She told me that she had bought these shoes from the local sports store. Vacation! Everybody likes vacation? Me too. But do you think they like vacation? What's their plan? Where are they going? Let's find out. Hooray! Next week is our vacation. No study, only fun. I am so excited as we are going to Fun World. I'm going to try all the rides out there. Really? I am also excited for my vacation. I am to my granny's village, waiting eagerly to hear stories from her. She's a great storyteller. Can't wait to climb the trees, pluck mangoes myself and enjoy eating them. I still remember sleeping with her on the porch in the veranda. I wish I could have come with you to your granny's house. Sure, you can come with me next time.
I'm a child of Murrachna. I wanna be with everyone. But I want to be my friends come together and share a bit of all of their children. And we know that destiny, and we are unity. We are unity. We are one, but we are different. We are all around the city, and we are in the same uniform. And share a meal. We